Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Amosi ni misawa janeno mano mar Color TV ageno ni ntiere kare kamora mora mabende inene wang jowene en kanyo tarik 16 dwe no mar Ang'wen higa 2026 magi gin weche manyien mago mag adier odiechieng' wechego mowuok achiel kachiel mesawa mano mar ka weche manyien nyinga Nelly Achieng' Ndene jaloko mar David Abila. Wachako kanyo gi wechego mago motenore kod modhi mano mabende osekelo paro mathoth kowuok kuom oganda mopogore opogore pacho kae. Wayudo kanyo ni gavana mano ma kaunti ma Siaya James Orengo ne ogolo pache ewi nengo ma bende ne omedi mag modhi e pacho kae. Ne owacho ni nengo no en mano ma bende mulo oganda duto te kendo sectors mopogore opogore kendo ka omede kata ka oweye malo kamano en mano ma bende dhi kelo midhiero mathoth ne oganda jo Kenya. Ne owacho ni ok nyal se lweny mano ma bende osebedo ka dhi nyime Middle East kocha, kata kamano owacho ni wechego kata medruok mano mar nengo no inyalo tudi kod mibadhi mano mabende owacho ni ogoyo tacha e piny owacho mano mamalo. Ne owacho ni ber ka bende orangi ngima oganda jo Kenya moloyo to ywak mabende sani to koro giywago ka otenre kod medruok mano mar nengo mag modhi e pacho ka.
Increase of fuel prices of over 25%. Looking at the international oil market and the prices out there, the increase by 25% is completely unjustified. And what it means, what it translates into, is that the cost of production is going to be higher. That means the economy is not going to grow. Growth is going to slow down. And even for ordinary Kenyans carrying out simple activities like the boda sector, those who depend on public transport, even individuals who own cars, costs have increased by 25%. And you know, when you increase fuel prices, it affects all other sectors. It's happening at a time when we got this scandal about this petroleum products that were brought into the country, and some people were arrested. It remains unexplained. My understanding is that consignment of the oil is in the country and has been introduced in the market. And the people who have made their money, they have made, but at a great cost to the countries. So I really believe that we are suffering, not just because of the war in the Middle East, but an artificially created price or costs arising out of corruption in the oil sector in the country, and also a government which is not concerned about the lives and interests of the ordinary people in Kenya. And this, they stand accused, they must give explanations, and if this is the road to Singapore, then I have my doubts.
Kapod warango mana weche makamago wayudo kanyo ni meneja mano maduong' mar KPC nyaka sani to pok ochiwo ler ewi wechego mabende no osebedo kowacho ni modhi ne ok odonjo kata ne ok orwaki e chirni mago mapacho kae, kendo chal kagima ne opandgi kamoro, kendo wacho ni duol mano mar IPRA ema nitiere kod teko mano mar ng'ado okang' mogik mano mabende ibiro kaw ne jogo ma itudo kod tim maket koda mano. Nyaka sani duol no lieko ni modhi ni duol mano mar IPRA lieko ni modhi nitiere moromo e pacho kae, kendo meli mamoko bende nitiere yo, kendo gibiro bedo ka gimolo e pacho kae sa asaya ka giting'o modhi mago mathoth ma oromo.
Sikia kwamba Kenya Pipeline wiki mbili kabla mafuta iingie nchi yetu wanapewa sampuli penye mafuta inatoka, inapelekwa laboratory, wana test. Walifanya test na wakaona sulfur iko juu, ndio walikataa kuingia nchi. Ndio sasa wizara wa Kawi kupitia Principal Secretary wa Petroleum wakaandikia Kenya Bureau of Standards kuomba ile tunaita waiver ili iingie. Hatujui ni sababu gani walifanya hivyo, lakini jana tukiwa na mkutano walisema walikuwa wanaomba ile inaitwa nini, security ya mafuta kwa nchi, kwa sababu ya ile shida iko kwa between the Gulf region. So walikuwa hawataki mafuta ipotee kwa nchi yetu, but you see the quality haikuwa mzuri, na wametueleza hiyo mafuta imewekwa kando, haijaingia market. Ndio sisi tuko hapa kuestablish kama ni ukweli iko kwa soko ama iko kwa soko. So mpaka sasa sisi bado tunaendelea na uchunguzi. As a committee of energy, we don't have the expertise. What we expect, if it is established, then it is upon Kenya Pipeline Company Limited and the owner of the product and Kenya Port Authority to ensure the owner ships back the product to where it came from.
Hiyo mafuta haikuwa mzuri, na sasa hii tumeelezwa kwamba hiyo mafuta imetengwa, imewekwa mahali na itatolewa kwa market. Kwa hivyo hatutarajii kwamba hiyo mafuta itakubaliwa iingie kwa market. Tunauliza kama hii kamati itolewe kwa hii market na isikubaliwe, na hata kusikuwe na shipments kama hizo, na idara iache kuuliza kwamba standards ziteremshwe. Hiyo kuuliza hiyo waiver ilikuwa makosa sana, na ndio ilisababisha hiyo mafuta kuingia hapa. Lakini tuseme ilikuwa vizuri sana waliifanya kwa kalamu na karatasi, ati tunaweza fuatilia ni mtu makosa iko wapi, ilitendekea wapi. Na ndio tunaona hata MD wa KPC unaona ametoka kazi. Tunaona hata Principal Secretary hata pia yeye ametoka kazi, sababu hiyo ilikuwa makosa na waliangalia makosa ikitokea.
Warango weche magumo moko kama bende wayudone dongruoge magumo pogore ma jatend piny Kenya ne jochwalo e kaunti no mano ma Kisii sani to koro osemie sir mano mathoth moloyo to ka wuok kuom jotelo mago ma bende wuok e kaunti ma Kisii kono. Kane ulero wach makama jaod bura mano ma South Mugirango Silvan Sosoro ne owacho ni omor kod osiep ma bende nitiere kinde kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ka oluwo ni osiep maket koda mano ema bende osemiyo kit chenro mago mag dongruoge ma bende ginene kaunti ma Kisii kono sani to koro chopo kare.
Nchi hawa saa zingine usahau. Wewe unajua hii South Mugirango ni kubwa sana. Iko na sub county mbili. It is second to Bobasi. It is the most expansive constituency in Kisii, actually in Gusii. Your Excellency, kwanza hii ward ya Chitango Borabu si kwa ubaya, inatoshana Bomachoge Chache constituency. It is true. It is very, very big. Na ni ukweli kwa sababu Bomachoge Chache wako na 60,000 voters. Bomachoge Chache. Chitango Borabu iko na 45,000 registered voters. A ward. Na tuko na ward 6. Ama namna gani? Nikukumbusha Your Excellency kwamba hii barabara hii ya Etago ambayo inaelekea kuenda Kenyanya, wewe ndio ulifungua hii barabara. Unajua hata nyinyi mkuu wangwana. Rais huyu ndiye alifungua hii barabara, tukaweka mawe, ilikuwa imekwama kule Nyanzembe. Rais huyu ndiye alikuja akafungua, mkafikiria ni mchezo. Hii lami imeisha ijaisha. Imeisha ijaisha. I think hiyo kitu ndio hii. Akafungua ikaenda mpaka kule Kenyanya. Wewe rais ndio ulifungua. Wananchi sasa zingine usahau. Mheshimiwa Rais, wewe ndio ulifungua lami ya Nyachenge kwenda Tabaka, kwenda Ikoba. Hiyo lami imeisha. Wewe tu ndio ulikuja ukaweka mawe. Nikueleze Your Excellency, umekuwa rafiki wetu wa maana sana. Kwa sababu hii constituency lami ya kwanza ilikanyaga hapa 2012. Constituency mzima. Lami ya kwanza ilikuja ile ya Nyamarambe, ndio ilikuwa ya kwanza ya predecessor wangu. Sasa mimi naomba kwa mwisho ni akina nani tutasupport William Samoei Ruto tamu ya pili? Mumekubali tu support William Ruto? William Ruto?
Wayudo kanyo ni duol mano ma ochung' ne yiero to kod tong' e pacho kae IEBC dhi nyime kwayo oganda jo Kenya mondo mi giwuog kar rombgi kendo gindikre kaka jolut ombulu. Magi obiro magi biro e kindego mabende oseket chenro mano makare mano mar chiwo puonj makare ne oganda jo Kenya e wi ber mano mar yiero jotelo mago mowinjore. Jokanyono mago mag duol mano mar IEBC kane giloso to chiwo puonj maket koda mano e kaunti ma Kisumu kae, giwacho ni ber mondo mi oganda jo Kenya wuog oko kendo giyud puonj maket koda mano to moloyo duto te gindikre kaka joluto ombulu. Bende josiasa kaachiel kod jotend dini okwa mondo mi obede ong'ala mano manyime mano mar neno ni gichiwo puonj makare ne jokanyono magi kata jogo magiromo godo mar neno ni oganda mathoth ondikore.
Na pia tukija katika county level tutakuwa tunaleta stakeholders mbalimbali pamoja kwa huu mradi kuweza kupiga msasa mambo ya bajeti.
Hivyo tunawaomba viongozi wa kisiasa. Ukweli ni kwamba wananchi huwasikiliza. Nyinyi ni viongozi wao, waliwachagua nyinyi na wao huwasikiliza. Kwa hivyo tunawaomba mjitokeze, muhimize watu wa Bungoma County wajisajili ili waweke kura zao kwenye kikapu.
Kati ya mikakati ambayo tumeweka kuhakikisha kwamba vijana ambao wako huko nje na hawajafikiwa ni kuhakikisha kwamba tumeleta wale wenye tunaita faith based leaders. Tuko hapa na religious leaders ambayo tuna work very closely na makanisa na misikiti kuhakikisha kwamba vijana ambao wanashiriki huko wanahamasishwa na wanajitokeza kwa large numbers register.
As those who are marginalized, let's take the initiative of registering as voters. Because once we are registered and we are a number, as Madam has said that you can negotiate on the table. We can have something to say as persons with a disability.
To bende kweth mano ma obalo kod piny owacho sani to koro imedo seyo kendo isoko wangi ka ikonogi ni gipogre koda timno mano mar kilo weche mago ma bende nyalo seyo tulo e pacho kae. Kane gitwak kod jofwamb weche e wichala mano mar piny Kenya, jagoro mano mar duond bura mar UDA Hassan Omar ka otene kod jotelogo mago mamoko ne owacho ni maino ma bende kweth ma obalo no nitiere godo en mano mar neno ni piny owacho obarore kendo tulo osia e pacho kae. Owacho ni siasa maket koda mago gin mago ma bende duoko oganda chien.
The disjointed opposition further proposes to scrap the National Infrastructure Fund, Affordable Housing Levy, and the NSSF contribution, which reflects a policy posture that is fundamentally at odds with sustained infrastructure development and long-term economic transformation. This suggests that the opposition is not genuinely invested in transformative governance, but is instead driven by populism, a narrow pursuit for power for self-serving political aggrandizement, devoid of substantive policy commitment or developmental vision. You know, when you want to set up the country on a reverse gear, it's an act of sabotage. These people are, if you look at the face of the opposition, when they give a face, they give a press conference, it is the ugliest representation of past regimes, and particularly failures in those past regimes. The ugliest face of extrajudicial execution, the ugliest face of a clueless vice president, the ugliest face of the worst tribalist we've ever seen, the ugliest face of everything that is wrong about Kenyan politics is reflected in that disjointed opposition. And that's why their paymasters, their patrons, are urging them to call for sabotage of this country so that we can take back the country to those years where the Kenyattas and the Mois dominated and presided over our lives, our economy, which is a preserve.
Agamo Moya, General Markala TV, bang thuolo machuo kadogo kai kod weche mago mamoko ma waiko nie kideny mano mar diro dichieng.
Komuch to wan kore duoko mag tuke mopogore opogore jotugo motimogi, kuonde magitimogie, to gin tuke magi mabiro. Mano emomiyo wan ka e chenro mar chal pewe tudri kodwa wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 11 mar midhiambo nyaka saa 12 mar midhiambo. Kama wanyisi motimore e pewe duto mana e Kala TV.
Tok bedo kod odiochieng' marabora e sikunde ka iduogo pacho, yud thuolo mar kweyo pachi kendo bedo gi mor e chenro mar Bang School. Chenro mar Bang School chakore saa 10:30 ma midhiambo nyaka saa 11 ma midhiambo. Kama inene katun mamori, ipuonjori weche mathoth, ibedo kod mor gi nyiero motimo Cathedral. Kik bai, Bang School, chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV, machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Machiegni kendo wadhi nyime yudo weche mago manyena. Wayudo kanyo ni apisaza mago bila tesendo bila mano mabumula e kar chung'od bura mabutula e kaunti no mano mabusia ne ondhiyo kotago mago mag njaga mabende nengo gi oingo shillings milion 2.5 mabende ne ichwalo kod apiko kabende achich moro ne osendhi e kind chenro makamano. Kalore kod kamanda mano mar obila Yunia Onyancha wacho ni akota mago mag njaga go ne otwe gunde moko kama bende wacho ni kilo mag akota maket koda mago nyalo romo 77.65. Ne owacho ni jogo mabende ibiro bedo ka itudo kod timbe mago mag chwalo yedhe mamero ji ibiro kaone gi ondao mager mar chik.
Officers walikuwa patrol na wakapata tip off kuwa kuna bangi fulani inapita area ya Bujumba. Wakalei ambush hapo, snap ambush, na wakaweza kushika pikipiki moja ikiwa na gunia 2 ya bidhaa ambaye walifikiria ni bangi. Wakaileta police station, ingawa hiyo mtu alijaribu kutoroka, walimkimbisha na wakaleta mpaka police station Bumala. So wakati wamefika Bumala, tumeita timu yetu ya anti-narcotics na watu wa scenes of crime wakakuja kutusaidia kupima, na tumepima hii tukapata ni bangi ambaye ni kilo 77.65 ambaye ni rolls 1,000 na street value yake ni shilingi milioni 2,359 na shilingi 500. Na tutaendelea kupigana na hii uhalifu na pombe na miadharati yote, na wajue Butula si mahali ya kuuza bangi na pombe. Hii mipaka ya Busia iko porous na barabara ni mingi, ni ngumu, lakini tunajaribu kwa sababu saa zingine mnapita pande hii kwa sababu barabara ni mingi na panya routes ni mingi, lakini tutaendelea kupigana na hiyo miadharati.
Riwruok mano mar Naseza ne okwedo chike mago manyien mabende ne ochogi kod piny owacho mamalo mar mondo mi ota sekta no kendo gibuogo mar dhi e doho kadipo ni chike go bio kete tim ma okonywanda pachgi. Kane gitwak Mombasa bang' bedo kod romo mano mar twak e wi chike mabende ne ochogi go, ne giwacho ni osebedi ka ichogo chike mago mang'eny ma okonywanda pachgi gino mabende dhi ataro kod dwachgi.
We do not have any of the regulatory bodies. We don't have Clinic Officers Council. We don't have Nursing Council of Kenya. We don't have Pharmacy and Poisons Board. We don't have KMPDC sitting there. Yet the policy is providing for regulation. The other things is that they are referring to some of the documents that we as health workers were able to flag out, like the health labor market analysis that was done by people who wanted to establish bias in terms of how health workers are employed in this country.
We cannot achieve universal health coverage if we neglect some of the critical cadres which are actually running primary health care. You can't achieve universal health coverage without clinical officers. You can't achieve universal health coverage without nurses. So that is a fact, and that's why we are saying we need to go back to the drawing board and ensure our regulators, those who regulate the training of nursing in this country, those who regulate the training of clinical medicine in this country, are part and parcel of the TWG team.
To bende Gavana Manoma Machakos wa Vinyandeti okwedo jotelo magu mabende tiyo marach kod rowere pacho kae eseyo tulo moloyo to erombego mago mag siasa. Ne oloso kod jokanyono mago mabende wuok kar chung'od bucheno, kama bende ne oloso kendo seyo piny owacho ewi nengo mano mamalo mag modhi mabende sani to koro medie pacho ka.
Kingine mimi nimeshangaa na watu kutumia goons kwa mikutano. Nao unaita goons, hao goons ni watoto wa watu. Kwa nini wewe usiende ulete mtoto wako kwanza, umweke hapo, akuwe goon wa kwanza? Kwa nini unatumia watoto wa watu vibaya kwenda kupiga watu? Wengine wanapigwa huko mpaka hata niliona mzee mmoja ametolewa nguo, akaonekana kila mahali. Wajamani, tuache kutumia goons kwa mikutano ya siasa. Hii nchi ni yetu. Na tusikumbushwe 2007, 2008 vile hii Kenya ilikuwa. Hatutaki Kenya irudi hapo. Mimi nilienda Naivasha na nilijionea na macho yangu. Ile vita ilikuwa kwa hiyo barabara kwenda juu, ilikuwa vita kali sana. Hatutaki kuona hivyo. Watu wako na vilabu vyao, mtu akienda kunywa, akienda kwa club ama akienda kwa hoteli anachapiwa hapo. Hii maneno ya Senator Osotsi kwenda kuchukuliwa kwa hoteli na kuchapwa, hiyo ni mambo mbaya sana. Hiyo ni mambo mbaya sana. Na vijana mkishikwa, hao walikuwa amewatuma, they will not even care about you. Tafadhali tuache maneno ya goonism. Maneno ya kutumia vijana wetu vibaya, tuachane nayo. Let us empower our youth. And this is we as a county of government of Machakos is doing. Lakini tunaona burden inaendelea na kuongezeka. Ukiangalia payslip za watu zinakaa mbaya. Saa hii mafuta ni hiyo nayo imepanda. Vile mimi ningemwambia Mheshimiwa Rais, hii taxes na revenue ile pesa yote wanaweka kwa mafuta watoe, ndio watu wetu waweze kununua mafuta kwa bei rahisi. Kwa sababu vijana wa bodaboda wataanza kupata shida. Wenye magari transport, wenye matatu sasa wataanza kupandisha fare. Na watu hawana pesa. Kwa hivyo hii levy ya mafuta wajamani itolewe. Any taxes ya mafuta itolewe.
Gikanyo bende madikele giko mar mi weche manyien mag adiero dichingo. Riti masani erokamano kuom kawo thuolo mari kendo rango weche gi nyinga Nelly Achieng' Ndine jaloko mara David Abila.